I just wanted to remind you about a couple of things in Illustrator so that when you're working on your monogram, you can use them to your advantage. So I'm just going to type in my initials here in Illustrator, KH. I'll zoom in a little bit. One thing that I want to do, if I want to be able to manipulate the shapes of my letters, what I'm going to do is make sure that it's selected. So I have my KH selected. I'll come up here to type and I will choose Create Outlines. So when I do that, now if I switch to my Direct Select tool, I can move these if I select it individually, I had the entire thing selected yet, but when I select each of these anchor points individually, I can move them around as I see fit. So maybe I want to, I'm gonna undo that, but maybe I want to drag this over here from my H and combine these two letters together a little bit more. Maybe we'll pull that over. So I have those options if I outline my text. So now this is infinitely editable. I can do whatever I want with these shapes. I could add curves to them if I wanted to, or whatever I need to do. Also, the other thing that I wanted to remind you about is the shape builder tool when you're when you're creating your monogram. So if I wanted to combine these shapes together, these two letters individually, I want to combine them into one big shape. I can use my shape builder tool by selecting both of those letters, choosing my shape builder tool, and then just dragging through so that now when I select any of my anchor points, those two letters are combined together and they're moving together. This isn't a great example because I don't know if this is exactly what we're going for here, but I just wanted to remind you of those two minor things. Let me know if you have questions.